Okay, children, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the question answers of the lesson nervous system. Right? Already we completed the lesson. Right? In this session, we'll discuss about question and answers. So here are the multiple choice questions. First one: which of these is a part of nervous system? Which of these is a part of nervous system? Brain, spinal cord, nerves, all of these. So we know that in nervous system there are three organs: brain, spinal cord and nerves. Three are present, so all of this is the answer. And next, in human, thinking is done by cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla and spinal cord. Thinking, I already told you, memory and reasoning, intelligence will be in the cerebrum, right? Cerebrum is the answer. And next, come to, if your hand accidentally touches the hot glass, right, the command to remove the hand from the glass is given by, see, when you touch the hot object, the command to remove the hand, immediate action, it is sudden action, it should not take more time, it should be short and faster. So where do it is possible? It is possible with the cerebrum or cerebellum or medulla or spinal cord. Which one? Spinal cord. We know very well that spinal cord, it sends the shortest message, it won't go up to the brain, sudden action it is, right? So next, which part of the eyes control the amount of light entering in the eye? So which part of the eyes? Simply see here, lens do not involve in this, iris it won't change, and whereas cornea and retina. So here pupil, actually the answer is pupil, and we know that pupil is a part of iris. In between the iris there is pupil, so here according to question it is iris, actually pupil should be given, right? And next, in which part of the ear is the eardrum located? Outer ear, middle ear, inner ear. Where it neither of these, right? So the answer is in the middle ear, right? At the end of the outer ear and at the beginning of middle ear. So you can say at the middle ear the eardrum is present. Let us see the confirmation, right? So here it is the eardrum, right? So you see the outer ear, it is like a funnel, it collects the sounds, it then passes them to the eardrum in the middle ear, right? Eardrum in the middle ear. So eardrum is present in the middle ear, right? And next, in which sense organ are the nerves ending sensitive to pressure, heat, cold and pain? Who can? Eyes. Can eyes detect the pressure? No. Pain? No. Tongue? No. Skin? Yes. Nose? No. So skin is the answer, right? Next, come to true or false. The brain is protected by skull. Is it true or false? Yes, true. Brain is protected by skull. The cerebrum is the main part of the brain. The cerebrum is the main part of the brain, right? Correct. Why? Because it is the bigger part, cerebrum. The small one is cerebellum, right? So involuntary actions are controlled by cerebellum. Exactly, right answer it is. True it is. Involuntary actions can be controlled by cerebellum. Is it true? No. Actually, cerebellum can able to control voluntary actions, not involuntary. Voluntary action. So it is false. It is false. Voluntary actions can be controlled by cerebellum. Then who controls the involuntary actions? Who controls the involuntary actions? Very good. Medulla. And next, the spinal cord protected by the spine. Right answer. Spine is nothing but backbone, vertebral column. Sensory nerves are carry message that make the muscle to move. Is it true? See, sensory nerves, they are start from sense organs. From sense organs it reaches to the brain. So here this is false statement. Then who sends the message to muscle? Who sends? Very good. Motor neurons, right. Most of the information we gather from the environment is through our eyes. It is not exactly right. Actually, we can observe through the five sense organs. Five sense organs we should use, but here they given eyes, so it is false. Light enters eyes through the iris. No, through the pupil it enters. Wrong it is. The sense of smell and taste are linked. Yes, if you can able to smell the food, then only you can see the taste. अगर वो smell नहीं दिया मतलब taste भी नहीं देगा, right? Now name these. The cell that make up the nervous system is the nerve cell. The part of the brain which keeps working even when you sleep. Which part of the brain? Medulla. Why? Because breathing, all they can be taken place. Next, the part of nervous system that is protected by spine. Who get protected by the spine? Spinal cord. Very good. The nerve cell that passes the signals between the sensory nerve cells and motor nerve cell. Sensory actions which are automatically do not need thinking, they are called involuntary actions. The screen in the eyes of which image formed is called retina. The part of the ear that collects the sounds, right? Who collect the sounds? Pinna, outer ear, right? The nerve through which the message from the eyes travel to the brain. So the nerve is called optical nerve or sensory nerve. Here the sensory nerve name is optical nerve. Next come to question and answer. What is the importance of nervous system? Nervous system involves in coordination and showing response, Nana, right? So to do the activities we definitely require nervous system. Name three parts of the brain. List one thing that each part does, right? Three parts. What is that? Cerebrum. First one is the cerebrum. What is the use of cerebrum? Say, what is the use of cerebrum? Intelligence, memory, touch, pain, pressure, all can be felt by the cerebrum. Whereas, now see, next part is cerebellum. What is the use of cerebellum here? Cerebellum, it control the voluntary muscles. Medulla, all involuntary actions can be taken care by medulla. So these are the three structures, right? And next, come to next question, that is where it is, name the three types of nerve cells which of these carry signals from sense organ to the brain. Three types of what you call nerves are sensory nerve, motor nerve and connecting nerve. Who carries the signal from sense organ? Sensory nerve. What is reflex arc? Reflex arc action is the smallest pathway of showing reaction. Means the message move up to the spinal cord, it won't go to the brain. Just from the spinal cord it takes turn. So it is called reflex action, sudden actions, right? Why do we lose sense of smell when nose is blocked? When nose is blocked, I already told you mucus is there. In that mucus only the substance should be dissolved. The odor particle do not get dissolved in that mucus, so that we are unable to see the smell. We can unable to sense the smell. Which sensation is the skin sensitive to? It can able to sense the touch, pain, pressure and as well as heat or cold. Temperature can be sensed by the skin, right? So this is about question and answer, right? Right. So here dogs, cats and mice, they have big outer ears. How do you think they help them? They lose the heat from the ears, Nana, right? So you standing outside in the daytime, if suddenly you enter into room, little light, you can't see anything in the beginning. After some time you could able to see. I already explained you about the pupil, Nana, right? About pupil. Pupil increases in size and light rays enter into your eyes, so that you can able to see. Suppose you did not have benefit of reflex action, what problems would you face? Even though you are touching the sharp object, so much bleeding takes place, but you never respond. Why? Because you don't have that reflex action. You are not going to remove. So the problem will be more when there is no reflex action, right? So children, read this question answer, and I will conduct test on this